Hi guys, welcome to the session. My name is Prakash, math tutor. Let's solve the question which I have written on the whiteboard. See here, a cylindrical, a bucket, a 32 centimeter height and the radius is 18 centimeter, which is filled with sand. This bucket is emptied on the ground and the conical heap of the sand is formed. If the height of the conical heap is 24 centimeter, then we need to find the radius and slant height of that heap. Let's write down the given data. The given data is height of the cylinder, which is 32 centimeter, radius of the cylinder, which is 18 centimeter, then the height of the conical heap. So height of the cone is 24 centimeter. Now see here, if the object turn into another, which is if the shape of one object turns into another object, another shape, then the volumes are equal. So which is volume of cone is equal to the volume of cylinder. So we know that the volume of cone formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h and volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Write down this definition separately here. See here, volume of cone, so where height is 24 centimeters and we need to find the radius there. And in volume of in cylinder, the height is 32 centimeter and the radius is 18 centimeter. So plug these values into the formula. So 1 by 3, so here pi cancels out anyway, so pi r square, h value is 24, equals to pi into 18 square into 32. So see here, this pi cancels out, then r square is equals to 18 square is, yeah, so this 3 goes to this side, and so 3 into 18 square into 32 divided by 24. So if we simplify this, we'll get 1296. So r square is equals to 1296. So to find r, just take a square root of that, so which is 36. So our radius of the conical heap is 36 centimeter. The radius of the conical heap is 36 centimeter. Now we need to find slant height of that conical heap. The slant height, we just need to use the basic formula, which is L square is equals to h square plus r square. So L is equals to square root of h square plus r square. So we know that the height of the cone, which is 24 centimeters, and the radius of the conical heap is 36 centimeter. So substitute these values into this formula and find the slant height. So L is equals to 24 square plus 36 square. So 24 square is 576 and 36 square is 1296. So if we add both, we'll get 1872. Simplify this. We won't get the perfect square root value here, so just simplify this. So 1872 can be written as 144 times of 13. So one root of 144 becomes 12. So we can conclude that the slant height of the conical heap is 12 into square root 13 centimeters. Yeah, I hope you understand this question. Thanks for watching.